All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to your channel. In this video, we're actually gonna go to Papa John's and we're gonna pick up the pizza. If you watch my videos before, when I had the older Tesla 2023, I actually did a full self driving on that one. But last night, since we had the new update, we're gonna try it out. So this is the latest version of FSD, which is version 14.3.5, and we'll see how it react and see if how it's doing, right? So we're gonna go to let's go to Papa John. So Papa John, let's see, nearest, see, this is right here, and let's go. So far, like some of the comments online stating that it's not good. So I'm gonna have to see it myself. So far, we'll see. Turn that off. It's gonna go this way. Okay. Last time, even with the hardware 3 version, it actually did pretty good. So, and this is a newer one, so it should be better. So as you can see right now, I have it in Mad Max, which is like the fastest profiles you can get. But you can see here, you got Mad Max, Hurry, Standard, you got Chill, and you got Slot. So yeah, and then it tells you when approximately when you get close to the destinations, it'll tell you where you want it to park on the street, in the parking lot, which is really nice. So you can even pull this over here too, so it'll let you can see you know, at least where you're going, where it's gonna make a left, make a right. So right in front of us, you can see there's a UPS truck right there. Let's see, the car right in front just merged to the left and go. And let's see, oh, this one is, our car is really sick nose, and as you can see in the cameras here, it sees really far ahead, right? So it can detect if there's oncoming cars or not. So really nice. So far, what, how many minutes are we into the drive already? Pretty good. So we're about 4 minutes away. Right now, I'm waiting for Tesla to have like the Model YL versions and the West Covina center, so the service center, so I can go there and check it out and then see what's the difference is, you know. But right now, you can order the launch series right now, and I think it started out like $61.99, and then with the destination fees and the $250 deposit, it'll come out to about like 63,000. So yeah, really good. Okay, crouch and park behind here, then come see. Really nice. So I don't see anything jerky at all. So I don't know. So far so good, as you can see yourself, right? I've seen a video where the guy had the iPad on the side right here. He was actually driving a Cybertruck and he was watching it. So, well, we're not gonna go through that. Yeah, whoa. Not good. So you see, the car didn't even slam on the brake. It just slows down, right? So really nice. I mean, like for a human being like us, we would probably slam on the brake, right? And this, it just slows down and let the guy go. So 4-way stop. It actually sees the movements of the other cars and it'll react to it. So it's really nice. The way that it thinks, I think, is almost like a human being would drive, right? But which much better and safer. So we're 2 minutes away, 0.7 miles. So this, we don't have the light. So we gotta wait until the traffic is clear. Again, this is still like the supervised version, so we have to kind of like still pay attention to the road because sometimes we need to react to it, right? So now the light turns yellow and then we go. And the good thing about this is when they make a left turn, they always say on the left lane, right? Human beings like us, sometimes we make a left, but then we'll stick to the right lane. So it says right here, I give you the option, pull over, park. If we're gonna park and we're parking in the parking lot or parking in the street, we're gonna let it park in the parking lot. So the parking lot over here is not that big, and so let's see if they have parking space and see how it's gonna park itself. Uh-oh, some kind of signals. Not bad, not bad. All right. So, as you can see, it doesn't hit the slam on the brake, you know, I mean, it doesn't get scared. It just slows down, signals, and save, and then change lane. Really nice. So, I'm really happy. I'm really happy with this purchase, the launch series that I have, and with the latest software updating. Again, you're buying something, you know. Look at all this. If there's any changes, since it just did the update, any changes to it, it has the blue bubbles next to it, right? New parent control. So there we go. We can go there, software, right? Really nice. All right, we are here. So let's see how it's gonna choose. Oh, today's lucky. It has plenty of spaces. Okay. How is it gonna park? Back it in. Okay, back it in. Nice. Just like that. So there you go. All right, since we're here, let's see how does the car park. Good thing. Nice, right? Can't be better than that.